really noticed that I had much more energy, and I hadn't felt that good in years.
Our energy and just the way we felt in general started to change. We just feel fantastic on it.
My mood had absolutely level completely. And that was just something that I enjoy. So is my husband.
I see a lot of people my age that are having a hard time even walking and getting around, and since I've been taking this product for many years, it's helped me realize this is really something.
I feel better than I've ever felt in my life. It's given me my life back, and it's given me my family's life back.
I feel like because of ASEA, I have regained my life.
It's not a juice, it's not a vitamin, it's not a mineral. I mean, it's like nothing else. There's nothing else in the world like this product, and there's nothing else that does what this product does.
Our bodies are constantly under attack from pollution, viruses, bacteria, stress, exercise, sun damage, all sorts of things.
There's so many people that have been diagnosed with this, that, or that and this, and they're looking for answers. You know, nobody wants to live their life in pain. Nobody wants to go through life not being able to really enjoy it. They want to live life to the fullest.
Everybody has health issues. Everybody has unhealthy cells. And if we can improve you at the cellular level, then a lot of your problems will go away.
It all has to do with how effective our body's systems are of repairing our cells. At the end of the day, it all goes back to that.
Our bodies are programmed for health. So our cells protect themselves. If they can't protect, they repair themselves. And if they can't repair themselves, they'd better replace themselves.
What ASEA essentially does is it restores the effectiveness of our body's own systems that's able to do all that back to when it was when we were much younger.
These are molecules. They're molecules that are already bioavailable to our bodies. Our bodies know what to do with these molecules.
These molecules, these redox signaling molecules, I call them amazing little molecules, are absolutely fundamental to helping our cells protect, repair, and replace. And ASEA is the only product in the world that contains these powerful molecules.
It's not another juice, it's not another nutritional supplement, which I think are wonderful products, but this is something you can't get anywhere else, and that I think everyone needs and everyone can benefit from.
With this juice space, there's always this war of my juice is better than yours, my ORAC value score is higher than yours. With ASEA, though, we don't really care, because without the reactive molecules in your cells, all of that doesn't mean anything.
Antioxidants are like light bulbs, and if you come into your house and all of the lights are off, you don't have a light bulb problem, you've got a power problem. And ASEA and these molecules are literally the power supply that activates your antioxidants. They light them up.
ASEA just simply helps the body do what it was designed to do naturally.
I teach special education, and with that comes a lot of stress. And one of the things that was appealing to me about ASEA is that it offered me that energy that I need to do my job well.
I've had sleep issues for years. I started sleeping deeper at night. Just the other night I told my husband I sleep like I did when I was 4 years old, and sleep is such a blessing.
Since I've started taking ASEA, I've had so much more energy.
All of a sudden my workouts, again, truly, I couldn't go far enough, fast enough, long enough. And there was no fatigue afterwards. I wanted to go back in and work out more.
My mom's very healthy. She's got great genes. My dad, on the other hand, had struggled his whole life with different health issues and died at a young age. I don't know which of those genes I'm going to get, but I'm not going to take a risk not taking care of myself.
I only have one body, and if I don't take care of this body, I might leave a little earlier than I would like to. I'd like to live a long time.
If you don't take care of your own health, no one else can or will.
You know, I think a lot of people have fallen into the trap in thinking that their health is their doctor's responsibility or their government's responsibility. And the truth is, it's our responsibility. It has to start with us. And I can't think of a better way to take back responsibility for your own health than with ASEA.
All the things that I have, I think ASEA would be the last one that I would ever want to get rid of, because it keeps me healthy and I enjoy it. And I like good health because I want to live to see 100.
I feel like ASEA has impacted me on a physical, mental, emotional level, which really kind of translates into a spiritual level.
In fact, I sometimes get a little frustrated with some of my friends who have some conditions and they don't try it. And the least you can do. You have everything to gain, nothing to lose.
This product has been the greatest thing I've ever had. It really is. I wouldn't get off of it for anything.